Good morning, class 3 students. Today we are going to start with our new chapter, chapter number 5, the keyboard. We have done up to chapter number 4, and I hope there is no problem in the previous chapters along with the exercise part. We had tried our level best to satisfy and provide you the best material available with us. While starting with chapter number 5, that is the keyboard. Keyboard is an input device. An input device means a device which is used to input or provide commands, instructions, or providing information to the computer from the outer world. If I'm typing A, B, C or some word over a keyboard, the same word is being fed into the computer by using this keyboard. Similarly, we can use mouse button, scanners, keyboards. Such devices we can use to provide input or feed the instructions in computer. Such devices are known as input devices. So in that we are going to start with our first input device, that is the keyboard. How do we enter information in the computer? You know it very well. It is a keyboard which helps us to do so. You have already learned about some special keys. Let us now learn about many other keys of the keyboard. We are going to study about the different keys which are available on the keyboard and their functions or why they are being used. So in your keyboard we can see alphabet key, numbers key, symbol keys, special keys, function keys, and navigation key. We will see these 6 types of keys in keyboard. A keyboard is used to type, that is to feed characters, to provide characters, instructions, words. So keyboard is being used for typing purpose or providing instruction or command to the computer. There are different types of keys on the keyboard, which are, or these are, alphabet keys used to type the alphabets, number keys to type or provide numbers, special keys, symbol keys, function keys, and navigation keys. As we can see on the picture, the first 6 letter, this type of a keyboard is known as QWERTY keyboard. This keyboard is known as QWERTY keyboard. Why it is known as you can see in the picture itself, this part, that is, I'm just highlighting the part, the 6 keys, that is Q, W, E, R, T, Y, QWERTY. Okay, so these key makes the name of the keyboard, that is QWERTY keyboard. So look at the picture of the keyboard. The first 6 letters of the alphabet keys are Q, W, E, R, T, and Y. This is why it is called QWERTY keyboard. This is the normal keyboard which we use in our day-to-day life. It consists of function keys, which is from F1 to F12, alphabet keys, number keys, special keys, navigation keys, and so on. So this type of keyboard is known as QWERTY keyboard. Info box. The keys on the keyboard are not given in alphabetical order. As you can see in the keyboard, they are not in the alphabetical order. A here, B here, C here, D here. So they are not in the alphabetical order. They are mixed up to speed up typing. They are in such a manner that we can speed up our typing, because if they are not in alphabetical order, they are being placed at different positions. It's easy for our fingers to reach them quickly. So it will help us for typing speed. Okay. Hence why they are arranged in such order. The raised bumps that you can see under F and J keys are used for hand placement. Just position your fingers and this will help you to type the text without looking on the keyboard. So as you can see on your keyboard, these two buttons, that is F and J. Okay, F and J, they have two bumps on this, a little bit upward surface. This helps you, or this tells you to put up the fingers on these two keys, which will help you to cover up the complete keyboard. Your left part will cover up this part of the keyboard, that is the left side of the F, caps lock, tab, shift, control and all. And your right hand part will be able to cover up this part, that is K and this, and the numbers, backspace, control. Similarly, your thumb will be able to place it on the space bar. So this is how you type speedily. Alphabet keys. There are 26 alphabet keys from A to Z on the keyboard. You can type both in capital also and small letters also. That is, by using this key we can type capital as well as small. If you want to write all the words capital, सभी letters को capital लिखने के लिए, we use caps lock key. Once you have pressed the caps lock key, after the pressing caps lock key, whatever you will type, it will be written in the capital letters. So there are two ways to write in capital letters: using the caps lock key or by pressing the shift button. So first we'll study about using the caps lock key. To type in capital letters, press the caps lock key. Once you have pressed the caps lock key, now whatever you will type will be in capital itself. So now type your name, it will appear in capital letters. If you want to go back again to the normal mode, you have to again press the caps lock key. So once you will press the caps lock key, again the words will be typed in small letters. So remember, first click caps lock key, then type. All the words, all the letters which you are typing will be in capital letters. Again press the caps lock key. Now what you will type in the small letters using the shift key. You can also type in capital letters by pressing the shift key, but in this you have to keep pressing the shift key. Like if I am pressing shift plus Y, that Y will come capital. If I am pressing shift plus X, that X will come capital. If I